I'm very excited about this video. I love Zara Home, and if you see any of my product, I do not think you're ready. Favorite and least favorite, but that's my list of what to buy and what not to buy in Zara. Hello, how are you today? I'm fantastic. I'm very excited about this video. I may have taken a slight bit of inspiration from Nick Lewis. He done a video where he went through the best and worst items in H&M, I think it was, and IKEA, and you know how much I love Zara Home. Like, Zara Home is my shit. Like, Exhibit A, Exhibit B, the little light over here, the mirror, the side tables, you can't see them right now, but there's side tables here. Like, literally, like, this row, I love them. And the cushion here. I love Zara Home, and if you see any of my product, speak James. If you've seen any of my projects, there's pieces in every project that are from Zara Home. So I thought it'd be fun today to go through some of my favorite and least favorite, or what you should buy and what you shouldn't buy, like try to avoid on the website. If you don't know who I am and you're thinking, who is this on my screen that's going to be talking about furniture to buy? My name is James. I'm an interior designer based in Ireland. I have some of my projects actually documented and up on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in taking a look, definitely do, because we worked really hard on the editing and production of it, just me, myself, and my editor. That's all it was that done, you know, the result that anyway, I'm very proud of it, and I think they all turned out very well. I have many more to come. I obviously don't like sleep because I do not think you're ready for the amount of room transformation content you're going to be getting over the next year, and that's just this year coming. I don't even know what's going to be coming the year after, but let's just take it one step at a time. I am roasting. This turtleneck was not a good idea. I was wearing this today and I just thought I'd quickly film this. Anyway, this intro is far too long, so without further ado, okay, so let's go on to Zara Home. I'm so excited because this is not even a task for me, because I do this most evenings anyway when I'm researching for projects. Zara Home, like literally it's already in my tabs. The Christmas stuff. I wasn't expecting this, but this is a welcome surprise. They're so cinematic, aren't they, with their stuff? So where should we start? Since we're in a bedroom, let's go to bedrooms. And I'm going to go to furniture because I love their furniture. Like they kind of dupe. Oh, there's some new items. I haven't seen any of these before. I think this is definitely a yes for me. Oh, I mean, to be honest, it seems quite expensive for what it is. Recycled wooden shelf, 2 bracket, include screws for attaching brackets. If this was a floating shelf, I'd be like, yeah, that's totally worth it, because like the screws and everything for a floating shelf are a lot thicker and heavier and more expensive. I mean, you could easily get something similar to this for a lot less, but maybe avoid that. But if you have the budget, go for it. Small recycled wooden table, I think, yes, buy this. This is really cute and I love it. I mean, although I need to see it in person to experience it, but from the images it looks like it's, you know, solid wood, and it's going to be, you know, sturdy and well put together. Because in IKEA you could definitely get something similar to this, or made.com, or for like half the price, if not like a third of the price. So bear that in mind. But it is a lovely side table. This, I like this. I'm not a big fan of that. Not the biggest fan of that. I like the fabric, love the fabric, but I don't know if I'd be the biggest fan of it. This, I think this is definitely a contender. I do really like this. I actually put this into a project and I don't recommend it. It's not sturdy at all. It's actually very unsturdy. Probably would avoid this, even though it's beautiful in person. I'm not going to lie, it is beautiful in person. This, I would 100% recommend this. I've used this in 3 projects and it hasn't failed me yet. It's fantastic. It's just gives such a nice feeling in the space. It's very soft, the curves are lovely, the detailing is beautiful, the fabric is like so scrumptious. I give it like a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. It's not perfect, but what is? I haven't came across many things that are actually like perfect, but for what it is and the price point, is just fantastic. Like, I mean, this chair is probably like a copy of, you know, a more expensive, fancier chair, but like this, you know, this kind of terry kind of fabric, I know in chairs are very trendy at the moment, are ranging from 3,500 to 5,500. So I mean, this is how I pitch it to my clients. You know, you give them the more expensive option and then the more affordable option that you actually kind of like more, and then that's the option that gets picked. So that's a trick. Is that boucle kind of fabric? Is it boucle fabric? Yeah. Right. I'm an interior designer. I know this. This is what I know. I know all about all this kind of stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah, I love the wood detailing. I mean, to be honest, I haven't sat in it myself, so I don't really know what the comfort level is. I know the other one, the back kind of came around at the back, so it was very nicely kind of at the lower back, which was nice. I think I probably would buy this, to be honest. I would. I think it's a lovely chair. These are fantastic. I've got these for another project. These are fantastic. Everything in Zara just looks so expensive and it's very affordable. Do not get these. I think if this was more like of a recognizable marble pattern, I think it would have been a lot nicer. I think this looks more like a stone instead of a marble, if that makes sense. I mean, I know it's marble, but like, do you get me? Like, is this one a bit better? I mean, this, yeah, it looks a bit more, I mean, I don't really like that either. Looks like a bit like a mother of pearl. Like, this is more of like a marble effect, if that makes sense. Like, it looks more like marble. Take a drink every time I say marble. So let's see. Autumn Winter 2021 campaign. I kind of like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm obsessed. Oh, I love that. Yes, definitely buy that. It's Ashwood. Definitely buy these also. I love them. That's the kind of worktop I'm talking. This is this side unit going to be available? Because I would 100%, like, no, sorry, 1,000,000% purchase that. I like them. I don't know why, but I like them. I think it's the colors. Love that wine glass. Definitely would be up for that. Oh, this is getting me excited. Lovely vases, lovely candles, lovely cushions. I love this candle. You know what's so funny? I remember this style growing up. I'm upset. Oh, I love that. What else can you buy? Is that it? I want to get this. I want to see what this is. Is it a mirror? Is it a tray? I don't know, but I need to find out. I love these flowers as well. Where do I get them? Is that it? Oh, okay. What else shall we look at? Okay, so I think we have a good kind of selection. I want to go to, and let's have a look. Oh, like, why does it show furniture like that and then not have it in here? Do not buy these. These are, I just think, so ugly. These geometric table things, I just think they're just, we don't have to listen to your shitty attitude. You're getting kicked off the site. Nothing. I like these kidney armchairs. I think buy them. Buy that, buy this. I don't hate them. I actually kind of like them. So I mean, if you want to live out like a, I don't know, like a on-set vibe, definitely get this. Okay, let me do a rundown of my list. Okay, so let me just add the kind of definites to my cart, and then I'll come back and run through them all with you, because we've been through a few that you should definitely not buy, and I'll have them on the screen kind of now with some music over them. Definites I would buy. Now bear in mind, we haven't even went through like vases and accessories and other exciting things that are on Zara Home, but this is a general gist, so if you'd like a part 2, let me know. Definitely I would buy this desk table. You could use it in your kitchen as like an island if you have enough space. It could be, yeah, I just think this is a fantastic product. It looks amazing. It's a beautiful color. Yeah, definitely would be up for this. How much is it? I mean, to be honest, for a table, it's not that bad. Definitely this larger regular mirror. I'm actually using this in a current project that you'll see in February, and it's beautiful and it's huge, so I definitely recommend that. As we discussed previously, this wooden bedside table, I mean, you don't even have to use it in the bedroom. It could be used in the living room or anywhere. I just think it's a very beautiful table, and the craftsmanship is just fantastic, even though like you pay a fortune for that to be done in real life. Well, in real life, like to be made like custom. This alabaster vase I think is beautiful. I will 100% be getting this. If it's not for a client, it'll be for myself. Because I feel like you can even put a tea light in there or something and it would have like a nice glow. So it's so has such like a yeah, basically you can use a lot of different ways, which is great quality in the piece. Like, look at the way the light kind of hits all the little kind of pockets. It's a very stunning piece, and the like veining, yeah, it's lovely. I really like that. This is a new item that I've never seen before, and I'm obsessed, and I am going to figure out a way to use it because I just love that. I just think it's a gorgeous piece. Like, it's beautiful, and it's only €80 for like a beautiful mirror. It's width 90 centimeters, sorry, height 90 centimeters, width 60 centimeters. Okay, it's actually not as wide as I thought it was going to be, and depth 1.5. It's beautiful. This coffee table is fantastic. I've used this in a project before. The pictures don't do it justice. It's not this dark in real life. It's actually a really beautiful tone, and it's matte. It's like not shiny. This makes it look like it's shiny, but it's actually like a more of a satin kind of finish. It's lovely. And I like the weightlessness of it. It's not going to be an intimidating piece in this space. I think it will work on so many different interior styles. And the color would go with like your oak, and like you can mix wood tones with it. It's just a fantastic piece, and I really like it. It could even be used in a more of a 70s kind of style home, or more of that kind of Japandi kind of interior, or even like a Scandinavian style if you're going for more darker tones instead of all the kind of whitewashed oak. Kind of changes up a bit more. To go alongside that, these kind of little kind of side tables look really cute. They'd be lovely in like a bedroom, like as a side table, like maybe in a kid's room. I think that'd be really cool. So yeah, I love them, and they're only €60, like fantastic deal. This gold metal desk lamp, I am obsessed, and I need to use it somewhere because I just think it's a very soft, is it brass? Gold, well, it's gold, okay, well, tomato. I just like the kind of satin kind of brushed finish on it. It's very soft, it looks very expensive. It would be a beautiful desk lamp, even like on like a console unit. It would be gorgeous. I just think there's a lot of different uses which I really like, and it's only €70. Like, I mean, you'd be laughing. And this kind of is a bit different to what's previously been listed, but I just think this is a very fun item. This again could be used in so many different styles and so many different ways. It could be used as a side lamp in a bedroom, on a console table, in the kitchen, like at the side, like maybe at the coffee dock or something. Like, it's a really multi-use piece, and it comes in like this mustard yellow color as well. It's very 70s, and I'm obsessed. This again is a stool. I just like this. I've used the bigger size of this before. It's very sturdy. They're just beautiful. Like, in person they just look 10 times nicer. Saw this mirror, and I thought like this would be really cool for a bathroom or a vanity. You know, you'd have like your big mirror obviously, but this could be your smaller one for like looking in a bit closer. And that's where you get depressed. But it looks cute, so if you don't look cute, at least this will look cute, you know. At least if you're not feeling yourself, you can be feeling the aesthetics of this mirror. Saw this vase as well. I just love the kind of ridges kind of around the side, just as it would add a lot of texture to a space. You know, with some lovely plants, it would be gorgeous. It would literally go with everything. It's like a porcelain vase, and it has like, I don't think it's a smooth finish. It looks kind of a bit kind of like a texture on it, which would be nice, because I know a lot of the vases that you have at the moment are very like kind of cement, and you know, it's very rough and rugged. I feel like this kind of has a bit of a softer look to it, which I really like, and I love these kind of curved kind of things at the top. I just think it's a really beautiful piece. Then we have this tripod lamp, which is here. Fantastic product. Oh my goodness, this was so worth it. It's beautiful. Like, the light that emits from it is so soft. It's so like non-invasive. It just has that like click that it just looks beautiful in the space, and it's very like matte. It's very soft, like iron. Like, it's, yeah, like this picture here. Where is that? Yeah, there's a picture that makes it look like it's more of like a rougher finish. Where did I see it? Wherever one it was. But like, it's and it's easy to put together. It's literally been here for the past few months, and it's still standing. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Definitely recommend. It would look gorgeous actually with this armchair. Definitely recommend this. I think this would be a beautiful addition. Like, if you had a couch and then maybe 2 of these, or even in the bedroom as a side chair, like a lamp over it and like a side table, you know, like for collecting your clothes. I just love it. I mean, it'd be nice if you could customize the wood to be different colors, or even change the leather color a bit more. But you know, you could obviously reupholster it in like a few years time, because the framing and like that kind of swoop kind of legs are so dynamic, and I'm obsessed. And it's a nice size as well. Saw this little side mirror as well. It came up in the little suggest, look at all these, and I thought this was a nice little option as well for your vanity mirror. It'd even be nice like on a side table, or even on the shelving display. I think it would be nice, because because it has that kind of a different shape and just kind of add a bit more dimension to the actual like arrangement or whatever you're doing. This, I'm obsessed with it. Used to come in black, but mostly only in oak now. I've used in 3 projects, so I'm obsessed, and it works, and it's a perfect like size. I just love anything curved. These little books I saw as well, I thought were really nice addition. Like, this is beautiful. I just think that's gorgeous. I need to order a few of these actually for one of my current projects. Like, gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful. Like, I mean, I feel like you get so much inspiration just by looking through this book. I need to get one for myself, actually, because I think that's gorgeous. Also, saw this little book. I thought this would be a beautiful addition. Definitely recommend buying. But that's my list of what to buy and what not to buy in Zara. I mean, I've only tipped the iceberg because there's so many things in Zara. I just wanted to test this video out and see what you think of it, and then if you have any ways that you think I could improve on it, I'm all open. I'm trying to focus my channel more on interiors because I have so many interests and so many areas I'd like to pursue in my lifetime, but interiors is like my core, and it's the thing that I love the most, and it's the thing I get the most excitement about. I love fashion as well, but like fashion is more exciting for me. I like doing it for myself. Whereas interiors, I love like getting into the mind of someone else and creating a space that they are going to inhabit, and I just love that challenge of it. And it's so interiors is like my main focus, so I'd like to focus my content more on interiors because yeah, I'm not going to go into too much to my plans next year, but I do need to focus more on interiors because I feel like at the moment my channel is a mix, kind of whatever I feel like recording. But that's how I am. Like, when I'm doing something, when I'm in the middle of something, I get bored of it and I need to start the next thing, and I like to move fast. So yes. Anyway, that's an unnecessary rant at the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any recommendations for upcoming videos, what would you like to see? Basically, that's where I'm going with this. Like, what would you like to see? Because I'm very interested in expanding my content to different areas in interior design. Keep it interior design related because that's where I'm trying to focus more on. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, do the bell, like it, comment, do all the fun things to support my channel and help me kind of grow it a bit more, because to do the videos I want to do I need to have a bit bigger of a following so I can invest more in it. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, actually, yeah, when you're watching this, if you go onto my channel and go to room transformations, there's a new one there. We transformed my sister's nursery and it's very cute, so go watch it because I'm very happy how it turned out. I think I'm happy with the room turn out. I haven't seen the video yet, so I'm hoping I'm going to be happy how it turns out. There's also like a load more there to watch. So anyway, I just don't want to say bye. I'll give you my address, come over and we can all hang out. Actually, I'm not going to do that because God only knows who's watching this, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Like, get out of here, live your life. Go decorate your room or go buy all these things off Zara Home if you have. We can only assume it costs about over 1,000, must be maybe 1,500 maybe or something like that. Anyway, bye.